to take buys, right? Your only option is to take buys because we're at a bullish fair value gap to begin with. So you can place your entry just below the rejection over here, and you are simply targeting the high of this candle over here, right? Minimum, that's a 2.2. I like to go for a 2.5. So just slightly over this particular target over here. So when we allow this to play out, what we saw is we saw a significant move to the upside in our overall direction. So what I want traders to understand and take away from this video is that you need to be using the order flow whenever you trade, right? So whenever you trade, you need to be understanding the order flow. So your fair value gaps, your breakers, your key levels, your breaks of structure are only going to be significant if you understand the order flow between buyers and sellers. This is important to understand, right? Notice how price comes back into this area, right? This was the news event, so we had a very, very large candle to the downside. Despite the candle being red, this is the most interesting thing, right? We see the candle as being red. It obviously moved to the downside. We see a very, very large seller propping up over here, very close to our key level. In fact, we see 584 for 2K. So there was roughly 4 times the number of aggressive buyers and sellers. So we see massive buyers despite having a red candle. And this shows us that the market is willing to reverse from this area. And of course, we had price